An earthquake measuring 3.9 on a local magnitude scale struck the Chimanimani district in the early hours of Wednesday morning, causing alarm among residents but resulting in no reported damage or casualties. There was an earthquake attack yasheka Chimanimani district, but panguva ino we're happy kuti apana damage are reported. On subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipina the tremor occurred at exactly 2 minutes past 3 a.m. local time on 17 July 2025. According to the statement released by Meteorological Services Department of Zimbabwe, the epicenter was located at latitude 20.067 and longitude 32.655, placing it squarely within the mountainous Chimanimani region, which borders Mozambique. Local residents reported feeling the earthquake briefly, though many remained unaware until later in the day. The Meteorological Department described the tremor as moderate in magnitude and attributed it to seismic activity along the East African Rift System, which extends into neighboring Mozambique and eastern Zimbabwe. Mr. Maringo, the provincial meteorological officer for Manicaland, confirmed that the quake was felt by several people in the district. However, no infrastructure damage or injuries have been reported as of this morning. Earthquakes of this magnitude are not uncommon in this part of the country and are generally not destructive. The statement reads, authorities continue to monitor the region for aftershocks, though none have been recorded so far. Residents are advised to remain calm and to report any structural concerns to local authorities. Ndomashikwana panguva ine pamusoro pe earthquake attack yoitika, but ine intensity yanga iri very low, yaita kuti haina kukonzeresa any damage kana loss of life. Pana comment section medu tiza mafunguro enyu muri kudi pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, switch on the bell icon.